An Eaton Fire victim and brother of a North Park man bracing himself as rains fell in the burn area in Altadena. In fire-ravaged Altadena, as the rains fell, a wave of anxiety for Jim Salazar.
So it was really the unexpected, and that's what we're up against. It's just, we have this ongoing feeling of, what's next?
I first met Salazar and his brother, North Park resident Andres Godoy, 3 weeks ago.
Dear Father God, thank you for getting my mother and I out within minutes of this thing going up on blaze with just the shirts on our backs.
In the cell phone video, you can hear Salazar after he and his mother escaped their burning home. After Salazar stayed with his brother in San Diego, he returned to Altadena in time to help his neighbors endure the rain.
Here we are heading up to yet another location to help a neighbor here.
For neighbors who live blocks from a hillside, the threat of mudslides and floods looms over the few structures that survived the wildfire.
Neighbors were calling and saying, hey, can you come out with sandbags? Can you help?
Salazar, who owns a trucking company, along with several employees, answering the call. Among those needing help is the neighbor who owns this property.
The property is pitched down at such a slope. The only structure that actually made it was the garage itself.
Late in the morning, the garage began to flood. Salazar's group putting down sandbags donated by a neighbor.
But otherwise, everything's gone. This is all she has to hold on to.
What Salazar hangs on to is a bond with fellow neighbors.
The neighbors here, all working in conjunction to save whatever we can and keep our community here afloat.
Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.